Is it going to be bright enough? Oh, no, that brings it in. Hey, hey, hey. Well, we got some folks logging in live. Facebook Live, yay! All right, let me fix the screen here, and we'll get this shared out some. And come on in, say hey, say hey. Hold on, let me see. How do you see? Let me fix the comments. And oh, look, it's brighter. I made it brighter.
Really? You just? Oh my goodness. She's seen a lot.
I'm trying to see the comments, so if someone has a question, how do you see the comments?
This way.
Oh, look at there. Well, no, that's how I can.
I don't have Facebook. So.
Let's see. How can I see the comments? All right. Let's see. Okay. Sorry, friends. I'm trying to figure out how I can see the comments. Hey, everybody. What's today? Wednesday? Wednesday, yes. Oh,
no,
hey,
Tuesday.
Chris. Oh, okay. I see the comments now. Look at that.
Oh, it's Wednesday.
There's Christopher. Are you working today, Christopher? All right. I know Christopher just started a new job. FEDEX or UPS? I can't remember which one. Look at there. We're on the computer screen. We're on 3 screens right now. Oh my gosh. Wow. We're on Layla's phone, we're on my phone, and we're on the computer screen. So we're not going to get it confused. Hey, let me see. Let's see. Let me see. I need to share this in the group.
My tooth
Hey,
weird.
Hey, Brian Johnson. All right, let me share this, and then I'm going to get started. Oh my goodness. We're so excited. We're going to open it up. We're going to show you. We don't know what's in it. It's been sealed all day since about 12 noon or something like that. So I'm going to send this in a messenger because I've got a lot of buddies and everybody coming on that we're going to see what's in our 7K Metals package. Are you excited, Layla?
Yeah.
You are? What are you excited about?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, are you excited that there's like money in here?
Oh, there is?
Oh, wait. There's precious metal, right? Okay. So what's fun is that last Friday, hold on, I've got comments coming here, and I want to just kind of like, I'll get back to any questions because we got different screens going on. If you have some questions, I'll be sure to get back with you afterwards. But so it was about let me see what it was earlier this year. No, or was it during the whole COVID thing? It was closer around the end of last year. There was a silver company that that myself and a lot of people we got into. No one gave a dime. But the company wasn't ready. I don't want to say any company name or anything like that. Okay, so the company wasn't ready, and we couldn't get any silver. So what's fun is that this company that I found is located in Idaho. Where's Idaho, Layla?
Around Washington.
Around Washington? Look at you, the whiz kid. Whiz kid. Yeah, so Idaho. All right, Idaho, USA, which is super amazing, right? And so, because you know some of these companies, they'll be out of the United States, and you're like, okay, well, am I going to get my product? Well, the silver gold product that 7K has, they have a membership, and so we ordered a membership. And so let's go ahead and open it. You want to open this? You want to figure out how to open it? Oh, look, it says pull to open. Oh my goodness, how funny. Next to Utah, Mark, thanks. Yeah, I know it's mountain time. They have a corporate call. Oh, you live in Idaho. Oh my gosh. Mark, 7K Metals corporate office is in Idaho. And the tracking for FedEx and everything, you know, so Idaho. Matter of fact, I called the company and made sure they're there and everything. They launched in 2016. It was like November or December 2016. All right, let's go. Woo. Oh, you want an ASMR. You can hear the sound.
I don't know if you guys heard that. I didn't really hear it.
Did you hear it? Okay, what do we have in there? Well, let's
Paper information. Yay!
No. Oh, wait for the goodie. Gotta wait for the goodie, right?
I want the bubble wrap.
Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna look at it yet. No, I don't want to look at it yet.
Can I look at it?
No. Look. No. You gotta wait. Patience is a virtue, right? Okay, let's see. We'll save the goodie for last. It's like dessert. Dessert in your package. You gotta save it for last. Okay, so what's first? Oh, look.
People.
The 7K Wealth Strategy book. Oh, this is something you and I were gonna have some book reading. Oh my goodness, it's like the whole presentation in the book about the company. And oh, I've seen this presentation online, so now you got a booklet with the presentation, which is great. Okay, tells you about the company, the memberships for 7K, getting your silver and gold. Oh, yes, if you joined late, yes, we are unboxing, well, actually FedExing our package from 7K Metals. Oh, what else you got?
We believe in you.
Oh, yes. It's more reading. Oh, look at this. The vault. No, wait. This is important, Layla. What's it say? The vault report. The vault report. So it's going to give you information on what's going on in the market. Company compliance. Oh, wow. Please don't pop bubbles right now. All right, the vault report. More good information. All right, that's great. Oh, what do we have here? Okay, we will read over this some more. And we got our packing slip. Awesome. Let me double check. Okay, all right, Layla, what's the dessert? This is why we joined 7K Metals. All right. All right, you can open that. I know she wanted to open it up, right? I told her, we talked about how the price of gold and the price of silver, she did, hold on, don't tell everybody what it is yet. Layla did her math, and she figured out silver is 70, how many times greater?
80.
Gold is 80 times more expensive than silver. Okay. So, you can't open that. Okay, this is a special. Oh, okay. So they put it in a nice little bubble wrap. Now keep in mind, I'll get one of these every single month with my membership. I am so thrilled, so excited. Oh my gosh, every single month. So we will start to build our silver collection, our how do you say that? Numismatic collection, numismatic silver collection. And you know, it's very new to me collecting coins. Now we do have some like our presidential dollar coins that Layla and we went around. You remember collecting those?
No.
Yes, we went to the banks collecting the presidential dollars. Yeah, so we loved doing that. That was years ago that we did that, but now we got some real deal silver. But what do we get? I can't even pronounce it. All right, hold on. Let's see if I can get it. Well, it's going to be backwards. Can anybody pronounce that? It's the 2020 Chiwon. I'm going to mess it up. Oh.
Chiwon.
Chiwon. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. You know what? this is some great history. Come on over here since we're out of school today.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Layla, you want to read it? Look at this. I don't know. Can you see it? Look at that. It's hard to see here in my camera. All right. Can you see it? I gotta show it to Layla's camera. We got 3 cameras going on here. All right. So it is a MS69 silver coin here. Oh, and look, and on the back, it's got the official mint medal. 2020, 1 ounce, South Korean silver, Chiwoo Chingwon. Wow, MS69. Okay, so, but this will be there will be a different silver coin coming every single month. So, and then you get to see we'll put this with their coin, and that is the history of this particular coin. Matter of fact, they had from the movie Black Panther coin, and they had the some of the other superhero coins. But every single month we're going to get one, okay? And the beauty of that too is that, oh, look at that. This is a travel savings club card. With your membership, you get some travel savings as well. So check out the membership. We're super excited. But Layla, do you know which countries 7K Metals is in?
No.
Anybody want to take a guess? Hey, Mike. What countries does 7K Metals, which countries do they service? Mike.
Canada.
Yes, you're right.
Oh,
Canada.
really?
Yes.
Oh.
You're right.
Oh, that was a guess.
Anybody there on the chat box, type in the country. Mike.
UK.
Yes, UK. Oh,
That was also
did you
a
know
guess.
this? Really? You knew this already? I wrote them down. I contacted customer service to see where all
China?
they service. Singapore. They're in United States, of course, Canada, UK, Singapore, and Australia. Wow. So
mate.
people can get their membership to get their coins every single month. And see, Layla, this is something you cannot open because you don't want air.
I'm gonna put it in the vending machine.
No. You don't want air to get on your coin, so you don't want the loose coins, okay? So.
Oh, I don't want air on my coin.
Yeah.
I don't want air on my coin.
So, yeah. Well, with that, you know what? We're super excited. We got a great team that we're building here with 7K Metals. And you can take a look at, I've got a link right here. Matter of fact, I'll put it in this video. Okay, so we did a little unboxing. We got our silver. I got some of my information, my travel information as well, extra goodies. But this is the main point of our membership, is to collect our coins every single month. And what's neat is that this comes to you every month, right? And you know, there'll be some companies that have, I don't know, hocus pocus, frou-frou juice, or, no offense to any of that. This you can save it, keep it, give it to your kids.
Don't let it breathe.
No, right. Keep the cover on it. It's not meant to open, right? But
can you open it?
It is beautiful. Look, you can see the back. We've got to research this.
If you want to, do you have to? Can you open it?
No.
Oh.
Well, yeah, but you're not going to open it. Yeah, we're pretty excited about it. And but with that, hey, I will let you go. Check out the link here. I got the website, silverandgoldmama.com. I'll put the link up here. I got the hashtag there. If you have some questions, let me know. We joined up Friday. Hold on, let me get my calendar. We joined up Friday October 2nd. Friday, October 2nd. And today is Wednesday,
That's
October 7th. So guess what? You know, what's pretty amazing is that already in qualification for $500 a week in pay. And it's been a few days. So people are loving this. The team is growing. And pretty exciting time. So if you interested about silver and gold, I mean, that would be a fantastic, you know, asset for you to have. Fantastic way of creating sound money. And I got folks messaging me right here, and I'll get back to you shortly. And yes, Jordan, I am here. And so check it out. We are building a very large team. Matter of fact, a lady, Lorena, she might be here on the live. She just joined up yesterday and came in, and she's already, you know, gotten some memberships in her team, and many other people coming on board. So are you excited about collecting silver?
Yes, I'm excited to not let coins breathe.
She can't take it out of the box.
I really want to take it out of the box.
You can't take it out of the box.
And put it in a vending machine.
Yeah, but I've got to figure out what this Chiwu Ching Wong, I know I'm messing it up, but it's 2020. I believe it is a Korean, I don't know. I might be messing it up. I don't want to guess. I've got to research this, but we've got the history. We've got the history of this particular coin, and that is exciting. Okay, well with that, I've got the hashtag here, and get information and get going, get your membership, and we're gonna get rolling with this. There's everything is at the website for you to check out for 7K medals, and you can go to silverandgoldmama.com, and I'll put the link here in the box. With that, message me if you have any questions. All right. Oh, webinars every night at 9:30 p.m. East Coast time. Yep, every night.
Every single night.
You're in bed then.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I go to bed at 2.
No, you don't.
I went to bed at 2
Virtual
last
school.
night.
Oh, parents. Oh, virtual school. No. No. 9 is your bedtime. All right. Bye, everybody.
Bye, guys.